All right, we're this far into it now. Let's go ahead and finish this up. As we can see here, we've got our text adjusted like so. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and grab this. Let's just go ahead and, you know what? We're going to go ahead and just double click on it like so. Oops, out here, wait for the name like so. Let's go ahead and add a bevel and emboss. So we'll go down here and we'll click on bevel and emboss like so. And actually, no, let's not do that there. Let's grab our text layer first here, and let's add another one. So let's drag it down here. Oop, hit cancel. Let's take it, drag it down here to the bottom, create another copy like so. Drag it right up under our background copy. And what we're going to do with this one is we're going to go ahead and take this one and add a bevel and emboss to this one. We'll turn this off so we can see it here. Or never mind, we'll just leave it like so. So we hit bevel and emboss, that looks fine, and let's go ahead and add some shadows here. Let's go ahead and hit OK. There we go. And let's take this and just bring this up to the top like so. And we're actually going to take this mode, and we're going to take this mode and pull it down to screen. There we go, and as you can see, it's colored it all out, and it looks like we got glass. Go ahead and hit enter like so, Command deselect. And let's choose another layer here to get off of it. And as you can see right here, we have a glass text right over our photo with a little bit of displacement here. Now you can adjust these settings to however you want your bevel to be. We probably should have chosen a more squarish bevel here, but as you can see, this is pretty good for right now. So we're going to leave it, stop here. So play around with it, have fun, and enjoy.